Remove the battery tray screw. Pry open battery tray with the tool. Remove the insulating film. Press either button on the optic to turn on. Press and hold both buttons for half a second to turn the optic off. Double press and hold minus for over 3 seconds. When red dot blink twice, the motion sensor is turned off. When red dot blink once, the motion sensor is turned on. There are 10 brightness levels. Press the minus button to decrease brightness. Press the plus button to increase brightness. Levels 1 and 2 are night vision settings. Levels 3 to 10 are daylight settings. Press and hold the minus button for over 3 seconds to switch between the 3 reticle settings. Use a dedicated tool to tighten the screws. Rotate counterclockwise to move the reticle leftward. Rotate clockwise to move the reticle rightward. Rotate clockwise to move the reticle upward. Rotate counterclockwise to move the reticle downward.